everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure. We've got a currency search today. $1,000 in currency. That's 501s and 505s from the Federal Reserve on the ones. And then we've got $200 or 20 rolls of quarters. 5 ended up being custom wrapped. So we'll be searching these as well. We'll start with the quarters, see if I find anything, and then we'll move on to the currency. Wish me luck, and let's get to it. Well, we got skunked on the 20 rolls of quarters, guys. We did pull out a 1998 that has some cool dark toning. I always pull out the best of the bunch of 82 and 83 P or D mint quarters. They're more than face value if they're in AU50 or better condition, and that's not, but I always pull it out to look at it. And then I always check the 2004 D Wisconsin State quarters for the high or low leaf variety, which you would find here, and they don't have it. But we tossing those back in. So now let's search the $5 bills. Skunked on the 5s. So let's move over to the 1s. We'll start with the first strap and see what we find. First stack of 1s is down. I always pull out my pre-2000 bills. We had 3 1999s. They're, not in bad, terrible shape. One is, but I collect them anyway. And we did find one trinary with 3s, 4s, and 5s. All right. Let's move on to the second stack. Second strap down, all we found was a 95 note. No real significance there, so we'll move on to the third stack now, guys. We're on our third stack, and we have our first star note. About time. I was wondering if I was going to find one. Remember, at the end of the video, I always check their print run and rarity, and I'll let you know what I find out. So that's our first star note. That's a good find. Let's keep looking. So that third stack ended up being a little more productive. You saw the star note that we found, and we also grabbed a couple of trinaries. The first one has 1, 3s, and 9s, and the other one has 1, 2, and 5. So not too bad. 2 more stacks. Let's get on to the fourth. Finish the fourth stack, guys. Our finds for that stack was 2 trinaries. 0, 1, and 8 on the first one. 0, 3, and 9 on the second one. Let's move on to the last stack. Maybe there's another star note or 2. Working on that last stack, guys, we found another star note. So we'll be checking that one for its rarity and print run as well. Put it with the other star note. We also found a trinary so far with 2, 6, and 7. Let's keep looking. Finish the last stack, guys. You saw we found the star note. We got the trinary, and then I found a 1995 bill. It's not a web note, but always good to collect them. So now let me go ahead and check the rarity and print run of these 2 star notes, let you know if they're worth anything or if they're rare. All right, guys, unfortunately, they're part of 3.2 million print runs. I go to mycurrencycollection.com. I put in the first star note. You can see that it's part of a 3.2 million run size. The arrow there on the left shows you the print run. And then on the other one, which starts with 107, you can clearly see it's in this range. It's also a 3.2 million print run. So nothing really rare there. We ended up with 6 trinaries, 5 bills before 2000, a couple star notes that are pretty much run-of-the-mill, but still a good find. I'll take them, and we'll keep searching. You never know when you're going to run into a solid or a radar or a nice birthday note or who knows what. That's why you hunt the bills, because you never know what you'll find. Hopefully you enjoyed the hunt. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.